Nearly 24 cases of measles have been reported in South Carolina in just the last few months. And today, state health officials are continuing to ask people to get vaccinated against the virus.
They also shared the progress of their mobile health unit that is offering free vaccines.
Ray Arena is live at Welford Baptist Church, where that mobile health unit is stopped today. Ray, what are you seeing out there?
Well, Mark and Sydney, throughout the day, we have seen a few people coming to this mobile health unit at Welford Baptist Church looking to get vaccinated. One man that I spoke with earlier today says that he just wanted to make sure that he was fully protected. State health officials are asking other people to do the same as the outbreak continues. Out of 23 measles cases reported in South Carolina since July, 20 have been tied to an ongoing outbreak, primarily in Spartanburg County.
Early quarantining as a result of the identified exposures has been successful in public health prevention of additional cases.
Epidemiologist Dr. Linda Bell says 2 new cases were close contacts of previous cases. 2 others were tied to a Spartanburg business.
To our knowledge, all of our current cases have been unvaccinated.
Bell says DPH does not believe there was public exposure at the business and are not identifying it. Meanwhile, she says Wednesday marked the end of the exclusion period for students previously exposed.
Students who are not ill and have not had additional exposures are able to return to school.
Last week, DPH launched a mobile health unit in an effort to increase vaccination rates. In that time, officials say a total of 7 doses of the MMR vaccine were given out.
We hope for a much higher acceptance of this service to get our vaccination coverage up. And so we do hope that more people will take advantage of this option moving forward.
Bell says the department will continue to evaluate the mobile health unit's success.
And what we're looking at is if it might be more helpful to these impacted communities is to have that mobile unit set up in a particular space at a particular time on a more regular basis so that they can recognize that as a potential ongoing resource.
So Ray, in regards to the mobile health unit that has been traveling around our area, do we know where it's going to be heading next?
Yeah, Mark. So starting tomorrow afternoon, it will be located at the TK Gregg Community Center. That's in Spartanburg from 2 to 6 p.m. DPH also says that they will announce further locations of the mobile health unit by the end of this week. Reporting live in Welford, Ray Arena, WYFF News 4.